Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing really well. If this is your first time here, I'm Lindy Peters. On my channel we talk about all things financial, saving, budgeting. I also do saving challenges from time to time, so keep your eye out for those. And I'm sharing my investment journey with stocks and crypto with you guys as well. So in today's video, we'll be having a look at the savings challenge. I'll be sharing with you guys how I am doing. I'll also be giving you a savings tip at the end, so stick through to that. If you like the idea of a savings challenge and you would like to see a lot more of those videos, please make sure you hit that like button to let me know. Can you guys believe it's already been 13 weeks since we started our savings challenge? Please comment below to let me know how you guys are doing, what you are getting up to and what you are saving for, as I really like to know what you guys are doing. And it's really great to see how the community is growing. We're almost at 500 subscribers, and I would really like us to work as a community and support each other so that we can all reach our targets in the saving challenge, because it's so much easier when a lot of us work together. As all your comments and all your likes give me support and motivation to keep going, I would really like to support and motivate you guys as well. So if there's anything specific you think I can do to help you, please comment that below so I can see how I can support you guys to get through your saving challenges as well. If you're getting value so far, please hit that like button so it turns blue for the YouTube algorithm, and I would appreciate your support. And make sure that you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. So if we have a look at my savings challenge, you will see I've already saved £310 so far. If you have a look at my challenge sheet, you will see I've highlighted different amounts at different places. I don't follow it exactly week by week. That is the nice thing about this challenge. You have a look at how much you can save every single week. As long as you tick off one of the boxes every Friday, this means you are staying on track, because some weeks you might have overtime or things might be going easier and you might have a bit more money. And some weeks you might not have the amount of hours you need to fill up the higher amount. This will make it nice and easy for you to be able to save the ones you can every Friday, as life isn't always straightforward, and this helps you to stick to your plan. So for today's bonus, I thought we're all busy with the savings challenge. How about we add a freezing challenge to that as well? And the freezing challenge will help you add some more money to your saving challenge, as it will freeze your wallet so that you can have a bit more money. So for the freezing challenge, what you need to do is try and not buy any new clothes for the next 4 weeks. The only time you are allowed to buy clothes if you are doing a 1-for-1 swap, meaning you are allowed to buy one new piece of clothing every time you take an old piece of clothing out of your wardrobe. So this way you are only replacing what you need to throw out or that you need to remove due to the fact that it's not wearable anymore, and see how much money you can save by doing that you can add to your savings challenge to help you reach your target. I'll leave a link in the description below if you'd like to give me a call to discuss any of the topics in my videos. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up to let me know, and make sure that you subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of my new videos. If you've got any topic requests or any questions for me, please comment below and I'll get back to you personally. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.